I'm getting ready to do the first piece of the tripod table, and that involves the lathe work on the post. And the post will be something like this, hopefully, and the tripod legs dovetail into the base down here, and then there's a pie crust top that sits down on a collar and a plate that's up the top end. So I have a square piece of mahogany at about 2 3/4 inch square, and the final diameter here, the largest diameter, is 2 5/8. So the first thing that I'm going to do is turn this rough turning into a round piece that is 2 5/8 along its length. And that will start at a slow speed, and I will use this tool for that first roughing out. What I've done is I've just sharpened this tool using a slip stone and just working the bevel with the slip stone and then removing the burr on the inside. So it's fairly sharp and ready to go. So let me turn this on and we'll have a look. Okay. I've set some calipers, and these will be the test of 2 5/8 diameter, and I've got a ways to go here. After I get this roughed out, then I'll move the tool rest down and work the other half of the post. To give me an idea of 2 5/8, I do a little test with the calipers and have a sense of where I need to be. A little bit more. Close. Yes. Okay. So that's the depth that I'm headed for. Speed it up a little bit. Move the tool rest. There's going to be quite a bit of carving done after turning all the shapes, and there's going to be some carving involved. Here's my template that I'll be using. It's split down the center line so I can hold it up close to the wood and mark out the places that we change diameters. So right now I just keep going to knock this back. I'm going to slow it down again. Okay, so it's a little rough. I'm gonna sharpen that up a little bit, that surface, with a skew, so my pencil marks would be easily seen. I want to smooth this out a little bit with the skew, and I've sharpened the skew. I may have to raise that, yeah, I'm going to raise this up, make it more comfortable. Not there. Really don't have to do it up here because I'm going to be taking that diameter down quite a bit, but it's giving me a little bit of practice with a skew that I haven't had for a while. So here on this end, I need to mark this up, and I'll be able to see it a lot better with the movement a little bit more smooth. Okay, that's good enough. The next step will be to mark up where these changes are, and I'm going to slow it way down. Get a pencil. I'm ready to put some marks on this turn cylinder, and there'll be more later, but just to get some key locations down, I'm going to have the end at that point, and there's a transition right here, transition right there, there. Okay, we've got the main bulge of the bulbous turning is right there, and then but I got to have 2 9/16 in this section here, so I'm going to set one of my dividers to 2 9/16. I'm going to mark the end of the post at the bottom end with a cut. That's as far as I'll go in at this point. Now this needs to go down to 2 9/16, which isn't much. Yeah, I'm already there. So I can just square that off. This is where the legs, cabriolet legs, socket in with dovetail joints down here at the base. This should be 2 3/16. Tiny little lip right here, but not quite there. Okay. Get this roughed up. 1 9/16.